Yeah, umunemundi Igbo. Nda fly babo ndo Jewish na Abia State. Haptali ilone me protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You watch the video? Nda ndo Jewish. They are doing protests for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that they will release this man so that he will go. So this is the Jewish people doing protests in Abia State demanding for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. After you finish watch this video, make sure that you watch the other one that I will post very soon, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Shalom.
Stop shouting at me. What is your problem? Please, if you have a report, can they lay the moment? And the reason of the now stop following me. Nobody should follow me through here. Jewish community. I'm okay. Deputy National Rabbi, Jewish community. Thank you. For their selves, and in the same hand, propagate and intensify for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As you can see, they are live here at the hometown of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Afaruku, Omahia, to propagate for the release of Nnamdi Kanu and also atone for their sins. As you can see, they are live and direct here. My name still remains Peace on your mind. Something live for us viewers. As you can see them, they are all live here. Propagate for the release of man.
All this coming to Biafra land. Yeah, Nnamdi Kanu. Your government at the state, my government federation are happier. When you're not the Kanu, you know the Kanu are job, you have only because you go on job. Okay. You never have last Sunday. You have a linear and how not the Kanu and now. You go here, come to work of a linear. You can go outside. Ha! About the bar, over on a hard over on how to report. And I of an oath is excellent to hope your mode in our charter state. Go to Tanya when I wasn't at Calcutta no longer. I continue. Go happen at the Carlo. You know, happen at the Carlo. Sugar got her. You know, what to buy away from them. No, I'm not talking here, Rurian. All I know what I get away, God, it could be hard job. Or when her job man is on the calendar. I even this summer for them. Not a Jewish community. Mumuna and the Simba body teacher, Biana, La Biafra. They make the Nayo, can help primers at the car. You know, wait for me. You know, wait for me, wait the man. I never went, but I see no way I get mad and can no longer about honor. That's what got there. Bring it in get away. The oblable or the other, I hope, not a full in here. I could be opposite. I see you what I heard. You want to wait. I can go with the taka. I go back and I have to cook up a heavy.
So we come all the way from Anambra State to the home of Nnamdi Kanu. And the Jewish community, students of masturbation from Israel and Africa in Anambra State. We are expressing our appreciation to the governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex. When we are coming here from Anambra State, we saw all the good work. Thank him and we salute him. We are not pleading with him to do everything humanly possible to effect the release of Nnamdi Kanu without personal abuse. Because this is something that can fight for the security of people. So there is nothing anomaly about that. We are pleading with the governor of Anambra State to mobilize other governors in Southeastern Nigeria, mobilize Ohanes in Igbo, mobilize all the male-building people in Igbo land to go and speak the truth so that Nnamdi Kanu will be released. He has not done anything. His own case is still in the court. All that the terrorist organization is a prejudice. It's subjudice because the matter is still in the court. So he should be released. He should be released and allowed to defend himself and be given freedom, because what he's fighting for is simple for the security. A lot of killing has been going on in Nigeria, even in northern Nigeria. People are dying, bandits are dying, bandits are killing people, and nobody has been arrested or incarcerated as their leader. Even the governors in the northern side of the country are having peace talk with these bandits. But why is our own case different? What Nnamdi Kanu is fighting is for the peace to reign in Igbo land. So, Your Excellency, the governor of Abia State, please, we are pleading with you. We are doing a very good work in Abia State. We come all the way from Anambra State. So, help and effect to mobilize other governors. And if you do that, prosperity will never forget you, our President.
Shahul Ogu onye nke si Imo steeti bịa na ime ka ọ dịrị anyị na mma n'ala nke onye kere eluigwe ka elu ụwa atọ onye nye ka anyị mana anyị na-agụta ya n'akwụkwọ nsọ na o nwere ebe ọ sị na a ga-eme onye amụma nke emechi na abụra kedu ụgwọnọta a ga-eji dị mma na onye amụma a si na abụrụ anyị bilie ụwa na-azọgidie ụwa na-emegidie ụmụnne a na-emegidie mana ụwa na-ahụ n'eziokwu na o ji eziokwu ihe ọ chọrọ abụ ihe ehi anyị kwuru ekwu na ọ ga-achọ ile akwụkwọ nke mba ụwa asị obodo ọbụla na-echere onwe ha anya sị na ha etoruru ịla n'ọrụ onwe ha na ha ekwesịrị ịla nke nwanne m nwoke adịghị iche ana m asị ibu uko ndị chịgha achịgha na ndị a na-achị achị aka ha dị n'ịgbagide anya ụkwụ a wepụ na ụkwụ ka nwanne unu lọhụọ bịa nwere onwe ya hazie obodo anyị adị mma n'ihi na ya nwa na onwe ya n'ime mmụọ onye nwụwa kpọrọ ya sị ya ga ochie ọ gaghị anya na ya chọrọ ịga ọ bụrụ na ọ gara ya sị ya chọrọ ịga mma ndị ke ya na ndị kpọrọ ha apụghị onye mana o ji ozi onye kere ụwa jiri esi ya gaa ka ọ gara ihe a ma na-asị buko onye